This tutorial will show you how to fade in footage in Capcut Mobile online free video editing software completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Open up your video project that you would like to fade in the footage or the clip. In case we have a footage or clip right here. As you see, I selected it, selected it, and now it's color blue. As you select the video clip, in the bottom hand screen on Capcut Mobile, you scrolling until you see this option, transform. Now there's a couple things you can do. You can resize the footage, like it larger or greater. We have different aspect ratios. Base 9:16, as this is a short form content video, and the check mark. Again, deselect and then we'll scroll to the right. See the option where it says opacity. Opacity, it's next to reverse and stabilize, and basically you can move this down, the slider icon, you can move to the left, I should say, and this is how our video is fading out, or it's turning color black and it's getting dark. I can drag this to the right and it's fading in. Have it, let's say 40. You can see our video is faded out. But if you want, you can click this icon right here, diamond shape, and it added a keyframe. So if you want this to fade in, we can move designated clip is to fade in and then go back down to the right, opacity, adjust the slider, check mark. That is how you fade in footage in Capcut Mobile completely for free.